you want to use live data update functionality in Excel to update your dashboard, you need to activate the camera tool in your ribbon or the quick access toolbar. So to activate this tool, click on function, go to option. In this screen, click on quick access toolbar. You may check all the options in the popular command or select all command to find the camera option, and if you will not get the option, you can use also the command not in ribbon. See, now we can check the camera tool option. It is available here. Click on it via selecting it and click on add. Once you click on add, it will add it here. I have already added, so it's showing here. In the first time, you need to click on this option. After selecting this, click on add, it will showing here. Now click on OK, and this option will showing here in your quick access toolbar. And you can also add in ribbon area. So I have added the option here in the quick access toolbar. And for the process, how you can use or implement this option for updating your dashboard live and in the real time, you can check the full length video in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.